Hi children, good morning. Welcome to Max class. How are you? I hope you all are good and fine at home now. Stay home, stay safe Nana. Don't go outside. Okay? So in the previous class we completed the patterns in multiplication and the problem solving. That means word problems. Okay Nana? So once again we revise those concepts. After we will go to the exercise 3E children. Okay, get ready with your books Nana. All of you take out your Max textbook and classwork. And listen 5 minutes Nana, don't write anything. And patterns in multiplication means, see ma, the product of an even multiplicand with an odd or even. Suppose take this is even multiplicand. If you multiply by 3, we get even. The even multiplicand is multiplied by even number, also will get the even number. Okay ma? And odd, 2 5s are 10. See here, if an even multiplicand is multiplied an odd or an even, we get even numbers only. Okay ma? So 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. Okay? Is it clear to you children? This is multiplicand, even multiplicand. So when an even multiplicand is multiplied by an odd or an even, we get the even number only. Okay? Next. And they are given some patterns also. Suppose if you multiplied odd multiplicand by even, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. Observe here children, this is odd multiplicand. It is even, odd, even only, odd only, odd, even. So the product of an odd multiplicand with odd will give the odd only. The product of an odd multiplicand with even number gives even number only. Okay ma? So this is the odd multiplicand. And that product depends upon the multiplier. If it is even, the product is also even. If that multiplier is odd into odd gives the odd product. The odd into even gives even. Okay ma? So here see, suppose if you take 2, so if 3, 6, 9, here see Nana, 18. Observe this pattern children. Here 2, 6, 18. So from 2 to 6, if you multiply by 3, 2 into 3, 2 3s are 6. 6 into 3, 6 3s are 18. Come on, tell me the next number Nana. Yes, 18 into 3, 18 3s are 54. So my dear children, you have to identify the pattern. Okay, here 2, here 6, here 18. That means each number is multiplying by 3. Then only we can get the next number. If 2 is multiplied by 3, we get 6. If 6 is multiplied by 3, we get 18. If 18 is multiplied by 3, we get next number, 54. Okay ma? And next one more pattern we will see. See here, 5, 10, 15. See here, if 5 is multiplied by 2, we get 5 2s are 10. Okay, but here the same 5 is, that means see Nana here, 5 into 2, 5 2s are 10. 5 into 3, 5 3s are 15. 5 into 4, 5 4s are 20. Here the numbers 5, 10, 15, 20. Here how do we get the next number? By adding 5, but not multiplying by 5. Okay ma? So 5 plus 5, 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 5, 15, 15 plus 5, 20, 20 plus 5, 25. But it is the pattern in addition Nana. Okay? And now we will see some problems in exercise 3E. Come on children, all of you open your Max classwork. Exercise 3E. So complete pattern. First one, write down all of you. Complete the patterns. Complete the patterns. First one, see Nana. 1, 2, 4, 6, 8. Come on. Observe first two numbers 1, 2. So if you multiply 1 by 2, then we get 2. Okay. If 1 is multiplied by 2, we get 2. If 2 is multiplied by 2, we get 4. If 4 is multiplied by, sorry, here 6 is not there, Nana. 1, 2, 4, 8. If 4 is multiplied by 2, we get 8. Okay. So here we multiplying the each number by 2 to get the next numbers. Okay. Is it clear to you, children? See, observe these two numbers. 1, 2. See, Nana? So if each number is multiplying by 2, we get the next number. 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So we will write like that. 1 into 2, 2 into 2, 4 into 2 will get 8. 8 into 2 will get the next number 16. Okay. So here each number is being multiplied by 2 to get the next number. So the number will be 16. Okay, ma, is it clear to you? As next one, B. 2, 6, 18, 54. First you write the pattern, Nana. Now you observe. How do you get this number from 2 to 6? Yes, if multiplied by 3, 2 3s are 6. Then 6 3s are 18. If 18 is multiplied by 3, 18 3s are 54. 54 into 3. So 162. 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15 plus 1 16. Okay, 162. So here the number is being multiplied by 3 to get the next number. So my dear children, you have to observe first these two numbers. Then we can get the clear. So whether the number is multiplied by which number to get the next number. Okay, ma, if you observe this pattern 2 6, 2 3s are 6. 6 is multiplied by 3. So that I have written like this into 3. 6 3s are 18. 18 into 3, 54. 54 into 3, 162. So here each number is being multiplied by 3 to get the next number. Okay. Is it clear to you, children? Come on, note down in your classwork, ma. And next problem. Next problem. See, 1 4 16 64 dash. Come on, my dear children, think about this pattern. To which number we have to multiply to get the next number? Here 1 and here 4. It's a very easy problem. As if you multiply 1 by 4, we get 1 4s are 4. 4 4s are 16. 16 4s are 64. And 64 into 4 will get 256. Okay, 256. Let's write down. $256. And next one, D. 1 5 25 125 dash. Come on, note down the pattern first. Next you multiply, Nana. Which number you have to multiply to get from 1 to 5? Yes, multiplied by 5. 1 5s are 5. 5 5s are 25. 25 is multiplied by 5, we get 125. To get the next number, we should multiply it by 5. 125 into 5. 125 into 5. 5 5s are 25. 2 in hand, 5 is down. 5 2s are 10. 11, 12. 1 in hand, 2 is down. 5 ones are 5 plus 1, 6. 625. And next, 2, 8, 32. So you have to draw the line, Nana. So need not to draw the line. Already have lines, no ma? Okay. Next, leave one box and write the next one. 128 dash. See here, Nana. First you write the numbers and observe. To which number you have to multiply to get the next number? Yes, 2, 8. That means 2 4s are 8. In 2 table you will get the 8 4 times. So you have to multiply each number by 4. 8 4s are 32. 32 is multiplied by 4. We get 128. 128 is multiplied by 4. We get, come on, multiply. 4 8s are 32. 3 in hand, 2 is down. 4 2s are 8. 9, 10, 11. 1 in hand, 1 is down. 4 1s are 4 plus 1, 5. Okay? So like this we will get the next number. Here each number is being multiplied by 4 to get the next numbers. Note down in your classwork, Nana. Next, F problem. F. F problem 2, 10, 50, 250 dash. So first you note down the numbers. Now you have to observe to which number you have to multiply to get the next number. 2, 10. That means 2 5s are 10. So if you multiply 2 by 5, we get 10. 10 is multiplied by 5 gives 50. 50 is multiplied by 5, we get 250. 250 is multiplied by 5, we get the next number. Come on, multiply. 5 0 0. 5 5s are 25. 2 in hand, 5 is down. 5 2s are 10, 11, 12. So 1250. Now second Roman. Study the pattern and give your answer. Study the pattern. It's a very easy, Nana. Study the pattern and give your answer. All of you write along with me, Nana. First one, A. 2 into 2, 4. 2 into 20. See children, first one they only given, Nana. So need not to write, just listen. So this one they only given. Now we will do B. 3 into 3, 9. 3 into 30. 3 into 300. Okay. So how do we get this answer, children? So 3 3s are 9. 3 into 30. See ma, here 1 0 is there, no, Nana? So you have to keep 1 0 here. 90. And 3 3s are 9 and we'll keep 2 zeros. 900. Finish. Okay. If a number is multiplied by tens, hundreds and thousands, first you have to multiply the given number. After you will keep 2 zeros or 3 zeros according to the number. So if the number is multiplied by 30, 300, first you multiply the given numbers. That means 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9. And here 1 0 is there, 90. 3 into 300, 900. Okay ma, is it clear to you children? And you have to observe the pattern also. Here this is ones, so we will get in one digit only. Tens, 20, 40, 200, 400. So 4, 40, 400. 9, 90, 900. Okay ma? And next one, C. 4 4s are, come on tell me children, 4 4s are 16. 4 into 40. Here 1 0 is there in the ones place. So you also keep 1 0. 4 into 400, 1600. Okay, ma? Observe the pattern. Here 4 is multiplied by 4, 4 4 is 16. 4 is multiplied by 40, gives the answer 160. 4 is multiplied by 400 and gives the answer 1600. Here it is multiplied by hundreds, so that we should keep 2 zeros. Here the number is multiplied by tens, that means multiple of 10, 40. Okay, so that you have to keep 0 in the ones place. 16, 160, 1600. Okay, ma? Note down in your classwork, Nana. This one already given in your textbook. You have to note down remaining 2 sums. Next, children, solve the following word problems. Come on, get ready. Write down, solve the following word problems. Next. Solve the following word problems. All of you keep this, ma, and write the first one, Nana. See that a question from the textbook and write first one. If I put 115 books in one shelf, how many books can I put in 12 shells? So this is the first word problem, Nana. A. So my dear children, first you read the problem, Nana. Read the problem. So if I put 115 books in one shelf, how many books put in one shelf, children? Yes, 115 books put in one shelf. How many books can I put in 12 shelves? See, ma, here one shelf is given and we have to find the books in 12 shelves. Okay, so one shelf is given 15 books. Then how many books can be put in 12 shelves? Okay, one is given and asking the more. So here we do multiplication. Very good. Okay, ma, come on, tell me the steps, Nana. Yes, first one, number of books put in one shelf. One shelf equal to 115. Next, number of books can be put in 12 shells. So one is given and asking number of, so you do multiplication. 115 into 12. Come on, tell me 115 into 12. You know that very well, 12 table. Tell me, Nana, 12 5s are 60. 6 in hand, 0 is down. 12 1s are 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay. 1 in hand, 8 is down. 12 1s are 12 plus 1, 13. So 1380 books. How many books, Nana? 1380 books can be put in 12 shells. Okay. Is it clear to you, children? What is given? If I put 115 books in one shelf, how many books can I put in 12 shells? One shelf is given. We are asking to find the books in 12 shells. So here we do multiplication. Okay. Note down this in your classwork. Next problem. Next, B problem, Nana, not second, B problem. Write down if IMO, if IMO takes, TAKES takes 13 minutes to run one round of the field, how many minutes will IMO take to run 25 rounds of the field? So note down this question, Nana, and read the question. If IMO takes 13 minutes to run one round of the field, how much time taken by IMO to run one round? Yes, 13 minutes. So underline that one. So 13 minutes takes to run one round of the field. Then how many minutes will IMO take to run 25 rounds of the field? Okay. So they are given minutes, Nana. If IMO takes 13 minutes to run one round of the field, so time taken to run one round equal to 13 minutes. Okay, Nana? And now we'll write time taken to run (25 rounds). So I make the simple steps, Nana. So if IMO takes 13 minutes to run one round of the field, so time taken to run one round and time taken to run 25 rounds. So you multiply 25 into 13. So 13 5s are 65, 6 in hand, 5 is down, 13 2s are 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. Okay, so 325 minutes. MIN means minutes, Nana. MIN means minutes. So time taken to run one round, time taken to run 25 rounds equal to 25 into 13. Here one is given and asking to find more. So here we do multiplication. Is it clear to you, children? 25 into 13. Yes, note down in your classwork, ma. So see, children, here they are given one note, Nana, in page number 55. All of you look at that page number 55 note, Nana. The answer will be more than 4, but it will not increase by 7, so we will not add. It will increase 7 times, so we will multiply. So yesterday I explained one problem, no, Nana. Once again see that problem. Jasmine sticks 4 photos on one page of her photo album. Then how many photos can she stick on 7 such pages? So here they are given on one page 4 photos. On 7 pages means we should do multiplication. 4 7s are 28. The answer will be more than 4. The answer will be more than 4, but it will not increase by 7. Okay, more than 4. So we will not addition. We will not add. It will increase by 7 times. How many times? 7 times. So we should multiply. Okay, ma. So total comes now. We will do multiplication also. Why? Because you have to find the difference between that multiplication and addition. Okay, increased by 7. Increased by 7 means the answer will be more than 4, but it will not increase by 7. Okay, so we will not do addition. Okay, ma? It will increase 7 times, Nana. Increase how many times? 7 times. So times means you should do multiplication. Okay, keep this in your mind, Nana. Okay, ma? Can I rub this one, children? Okay, so in today's class what we completed, children, once again we revised that. Tell me, Nana, patterns. So patterns in multiplication. Patterns in multiplication and how to solve the word problem. So how we will find that pattern, Nana? First you observe the two numbers and find out by which number we should multiply the given number to get the next number. Okay, after you have to multiply each number has been multiplying by one specific number. Suppose let us take one more example. I will explain. See, 3, 9, 27, 81. See, 3 and 9. If you observe these two numbers only first, 3 to 9. That means if you multiply 3 by 3, then only we get 9. That means here we multiplying, each number is being multiplied by 3. So 9 3s are 27, 27 3s are 81, 81 3s are, we'll get the next number. Okay, ma? Is it clear to you? So like this we'll find the pattern easily. And how to solve the problem? First you read the problem and try to understand the problem and underline that important points, and you have to select the mathematical operation. How many mathematical operations are there, Nana? 4. The mathematical operations are 4. Plus, minus, into, division. Okay, now you have to select the operation. Okay, after you have to solve it. So like this, step by step we solve the word problems. Is it clear to you, children? Okay, Nana. So my dear children, if you can't understand that, you watch the video once or twice. Okay, so and you have to maintain the classwork neatly without mistakes. If you have any doubt, you call to me, I will explain, Nana. Is it clear to you, children? Now see problem. If a movie ticket costs 175 rupees, how much money does the movie hall collect if 892 people watch the movie? Okay, so note down this question. Tomorrow I will explain this problem. Okay, ma? Yes, note down. If a movie ticket costs 175 rupees, how much money does the movie hall collect if 892 people watch the movie? Okay, note down in your classwork, ma. So note down this question in your classwork. Tomorrow I will explain the answer, Nana. Okay, ma? So bye, children. Take care of yourself, ma.